Controlling a stepper is always fun. I decided to give the Analog Devices TMC2130-LA a try. My goal, as always, was to make the design as simple as possible. The result is a truly minimalistic design without external current sensing resistors. The shape of the PCB matches the shape of the 42 x 42 mm stepper motor. Let's take a step forward.
The IC in the middle is the TMC2130-LA. The other components are bulk and decoupling capacitors and connectors. The screw terminal is the power entry point. The system port contains SPI and control signals. For my Arduino test sketch, I've used the TMC2130 stepper library, which is visible in the left pane. The code begins with port definitions. What is essential for my board is to call the internal _rsense method with the true parameter. The loop function drives the motor 2 seconds to both direction in turns. Here is the live demo. Immediately after the MCU reset, the stepper turns as coded, back and forth.
Controlling my stepper with this easy evaluation board was a breeze. If you need to drive a stepper motor, use the Analog Devices TMC2130-LA and you won't regret. And I recommend it.